In this video, I'll show you how to send to groups in an audience in Mailchimp. Once you are on your Mailchimp account, the first step is to create a segment. Now, to create a segment, head over to the navigation panel on the left-hand side, and at the bottom, simply click on the sixth option, which is audience. Now, below audience, click on the second option, which is segments. And in here, we want to create a segment. So at the top bar on the right-hand side, click on create segment. That will open the segment builder. From here on, select or search a filter, click on the drop down. And in here, you want to scroll down until you find groups. So in here, on how your contacts are grouped, in here, this is the exact name of my group. So from here, I will just simply choose the group option. And on the right hand side, we will choose either one of, all of, or none of. So let's say we will choose all of extras. This is my option. So in here, you can choose an option, extras, women's clothing, accessories, and sales item. Let's say we want to send them to the women's clothing, as well as accessories and sales item, anyone that is in this group. And once you're done, head over to the top and right corner and click on use segment. And we will use this segment name as a group. Once you're done, head over to the bottom and the right corner and click on save and exit. That will automatically create our segment. Now to use this segment, head over to the left-hand side. From here, click on the second option, which is campaigns. And on the campaign section, what you need to do is simply head over to the campaign in which you want to edit. This will be my Canva design. On the right-hand side, head over to the action section. And at the bottom, click on the edit button. From here, you want to head over to the to section, click on the drop down. And at the bottom on send to, click on the drop down again. In here, you want to head over to the bottom and click on segments. And from here, you want to choose your segment. Once that's done, it will automatically send to our segment. So at the bottom, click on save. And once you do that, it will calculate the recipient count. Now, if you don't have anyone within the group, it will automatically say that you need at least one email subscribed to the group. But if you do have a bunch of audiences or a bunch of recipients within that group, then it will automatically show. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions in the comment section below, and I will try my best to help you out.